Hello everyone. We are team number 1. And the name of our project is Art Mutation. From thought through human to the environment. Mutation in art becomes more and more popular over the years. Google Trends provide us with a growing trend of demand for mutation worldwide. 36% of the total search volume comes from the people from 35 to 44 years old, who are interested in art. So, what is a mutation? This image shows what most commonly is associated with a mutation. In the following image, our own interpretation of the existing world is presented. So, who are we? The idea arose from two twin sisters Alina and Karina. Being identical twins, the notion and potential of mutation were always their interest. During European Design Upgrade the topic attracted more multidisciplinary designers and artists. So why mutation? We see it as a nice framework to challenge social constructs and norms regarding human beauty and fashion which facilitates it. We are confident that through mutation, we can raise the topic of interconnectivity and challenge the anthropocentric model of thinking, that in the future might prevent many problems. So what are we doing? We want to communicate our thoughts through a performative installation. That installation will consist of a capsule collection from 4 garments and a special environment where these garments will be activated by a performer. How are we doing that? We work with 3 main actors, the so-called art cell, the human and the environment. The art cell is a human's thought. The internal thought influences the physical human body and through it influences the environment. When the art cell or the thought begins to mutate it changes the person. The changed person then changes the environment. A person that mutated internally becomes different and gradually this change becomes visible from the outside. The human becomes a mutating art cell for the environment. As a result, the environment itself is changing. Here's the logic: the changed person equals the changed environment. The idea is simple: to change the world, change yourself first. Our garments offer a visual appearance of an already mutated or changed person. The garments not only change their form and shape but also sense and meaning. You can see the first sketches of a prototype that symbolizes a change in human appearance. Our idea was transforming throughout the process both conceptually and outcome-wise. For whom are we doing this? We target galleries, museums, and art institutions as our main clients and places on the web, where we can communicate our messages to people of different kinds of ages and interests. We also would like to make a series of workshops and talks in schools about the mutation, asking kids to create their own new norms instead of following the existing ones. We also plan to collaborate with conceptual garment stores worldwide to introduce new types of the norm, buy fashion pieces that challenge them. Where are we doing that? In our sewing workshop in Dnipro City, where we have all the necessary equipment. What do we need? First of all, space and time to try experiments and develop the idea further. Performers and dancers that would activate our garments. Large format printing. And a lightweight metal construction expert. Last but not least, these are the references we use as a source of inspiration, ideas, and knowledge. Thank you for your attention. Hope you enjoyed it.